Hola Farmsteaders!
Hola!
We are Mac.
And Jose.
And we are the Yooper Farmstead.
Yes.
So we have been telling you that we were going to do some exploring of the UP on our channel in addition to the farmsteading activities we're doing here. Jose, where did we go this last weekend?
We've been in Eben Ice Caves.
Yeah, we went to the Eben Ice Caves and it was incredible. Yeah. We had a great time, a lot of family involved, but I'm going to tell you what, it was super cold. So we had everybody come over to our house before we went, and Jose and my dad got a big fire going in the fire pit to keep everybody warm.
Well, come on, everybody join around the fire.
And my aunt Shannon brought over this incredible hot chocolate mix.
Oh yeah, really good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Not store-bought hot chocolate mix. This was homemade hot chocolate mix, and it was incredible.
Perfect.
So we made everybody a cup of hot chocolate. And Jose, what did we have to go along with our hot chocolate?
What is
Oh yeah, Trenary Toast.
Yeah.
What do you know about Trenary Toast?
Trenary Toast. Well, I know we eat it every morning with our coffee.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, where is it made?
Over, I think it's over in Trenary.
Over in Trenary. That's weird. How'd they get the name Trenary Toast? If you're from the Upper Peninsula, you know what Trenary Toast is. Has anybody here ever not eaten Trenary Toast? Uh-oh. No, everybody.
I think everybody up here is.
Yeah, if you're in the UP, you've eaten Trenary Toast. Traditionally, Trenary Toast is just cinnamon covered, but they have this seasonal flavor right now that is chocolate chip. So I didn't get to try the chocolate chip, so hook me up with a piece. I'm going to try it right now.
Oh.
I only had the traditional. Ooh, baby. Jose, you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
No, you're doing it wrong.
Why?
You need read the directions.
Oh, okay. To eat. Dunk in your favorite hot beverage and enjoy.
Yeah. Your favorite hot beverage right here, Jose. Coffee.
Coffee.
Uh-huh. You're gonna make a mess. All right, my turn. Is it better? Yeah, Trenary Toast is very crunchy and hard to eat unless you have something to dip it in.
Wow.
Interesting with chocolate chips.
Yeah.
I've never met Trenary Toast that didn't like my coffee though. Trenary, where Trenary Toast is made, is only about 20 miles from us. It's really close to this area. And a lot of times people who are from the UP, if you're going to visit them, the thing they say is, hey, please bring me a bag of Trenary Toast, because they want their Trenary Toast. I'm glad my parents thought to bring along some Trenary Toast for our hike day.
Thank you.
Thank you. So my Aunt Ruth and Uncle Harry came. And remember, you had left your knife at their house.
Yeah.
And I was upset because I felt like you lost your Yooper card.
But Uncle Harry, he found it.
You have your knife back. You got your Yooper card.
Yep.
That's awesome.
This is start pack. Yeah, it's on there. That's him.
Jose now is officially a Yooper, and we can show his ID. Do you think if we get pulled over, you can show that and the cop will be okay with it?
Oof.
So after we finished our Trenary Toast and hot chocolate and hung out by the fire for a while, we headed over to the caves. And Jose, what did we find? Jose, you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Where are we?
We are in the middle of nothing.
We are in the middle of nothing.
I have a question for you ladies. What is the ice cavern? I feel like lost.
We're going to the Eben Ice Caves, and there are people everywhere.
Wow, I never see many people like that.
There were so many people. The line of cars parked along the road was incredible. And we went on a really cold day. I don't think it got above 10 degrees. The wind chill factor was definitely well below that. I was kind of hoping there wouldn't be so many people. But it was wall-to-wall people.
Yeah.
There's one thing I know, Yoopers are not afraid of the cold. So once we got parked, it was about a 1/4 mile hike just from our car to get to the trailhead. To get to where the Eben Ice Caves are, you cross private property, so you just want to be really respectful. They have a parking area that you can park in, but there was no parking available in there at all.
Yeah.
They had porta potties, which is nice. They usually have a little store set up, but I didn't see the little store.
No, maybe it's closed this time.
Yeah, usually it's open on the weekends, but I didn't see anything. They sell t-shirts and probably hot chocolate.
Yeah.
But I didn't see that it was open. And then there was a spot for snowmobilers to park even closer to the trailhead. Yeah. So if you were going in on snowmobile, it's pretty convenient.
Shannon wants to know why I didn't purchase a snowmobile.
So once you cross the open field, you get into the trees and it is so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite part of the hike in, Jose?
Oh, man. Jose, that's not the ice cave.
No?
Nuh-uh. That's not the Eben Ice Cave.
No?
No.
Slant?
Yeah, it was pretty steep. There's one thing I know for sure. If you go to the Eben Ice Caves, do not leave home without your spikes for your shoes. Yeah. I didn't have mine on at first, and I definitely slid down the hill one time. And I'm at an age where you don't want to be sliding down anything unless it's planned.
Yeah.
Are you a big outdoor winter enthusiast?
No.
No. I see.
Might look like it though.
You do look like it. You definitely have the get-up. What do you think we're going to see at the ice caves?
Lots of people.
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
But, you know what it is? It's a nice day. Gonna be some ice hanging down where it grows.
And then the last about 300 feet or so up to the falls is pretty steep.
Yep.
What did we see a lot of, Jose?
Wow, many people trying to climb.
Yes, it was pretty difficult to get up that last bit if you didn't have shoe spikes on. We saw parents pushing their kids up the hill. We saw some people that just kept going up and then sliding back down and going up and sliding back down. You definitely want shoe spikes for this trip.
Yep.
Yeah. But then you get up to the caves and it opens up and it is just incredible.
It is.
It's a rock wall and the water and the ice are coming over the outside edge. And then the reason it's called the ice caves is because you can get in behind where the water has come over the edge of the cliff there, and you can get in behind and walk around. You definitely want your shoe spikes there because it's just solid ice on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to feel comfortable. But I'll tell you, the opportunities for photographs and to hang out is just really beautiful.
What's going on? Where are we?
I don't know, maybe Pole North.
We're at the North Pole. We're in the Eben Ice Caves.
Yeah.
And it's pretty neat.
We were in there and there was a lot of people in one small area trying to take pictures. It was overwhelming. I highly recommend if you go, you try to go during an off time.
Yeah, but if you like if you like enjoy with other people, it's fine.
Harry, I'm going inside and look out.
All right.
Just seeing how strong that is.
Okay.
Can't move it.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Is it zapping season yet?
Almost. You have issues.
I found somebody.
Hey! That's the way out.
How'd we get in here?
I don't know.
I didn't do it.
That's fine.
Not me.
Okay, well, my family's lost their minds. What do you think of the Eben Ice Caves?
They were fantastic.
They are pretty cool, aren't they? Did you go in there at all?
No.
No?
Well, I did. I peeked. There's a lot of people.
So would you hike all the way out here again?
On a warmer day. In the summer.
So then the hike out, Jose.
Come on, Yooper clan.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What was the best part?
The best part for me and thinking for other people, it was
the slope out, we slid down. So we all started at the top, got down on our butts and slid down where the water comes over the falls and creates kind of an ice gully and you can slide down it. So we did that. That was a lot of fun. Once we were down from the falls, we headed out. And I will tell you, if you're hiking in there, to be prepared because the hike out is more difficult than the hike in. A lot more uphill.
It's a pretty good climb out of here, huh? Are the yak tracks helpful?
Oh my God, yes.
What's going on with your glasses, Mom?
What glasses?
Can you even see what's going on?
No. Who's there?
Kevin, do you know where I can get a snack?
Got a chunk of Trenary Toast in my pocket.
How long does that stuff last for, you think?
Forever.
It is probably about 1.5 mile hike in and 1.5 mile hike out is my guess. I'm not sure of the exact distance. I know total the round trip took us about 2 hours. But then once we got back out into the clearing where we were crossing the private property, what happened, Jose?
Yeah, I think that wind and snow is a little chilly right now.
March of the Penguins.
March of the Penguins, that's right.
Wind chill.
The wind chill, it was so cold. Jose looked like he had icicles growing from his beard. And it was chilly the last maybe half mile from the trees to our car.
Yeah, it was brutal.
It was brutal.
Brutal, yeah.
The nice thing was my dad let some people ride in the back of his truck.
Oh, yeah.
But then they drove right by me and didn't let me get a ride.
Hey! Wait for me!
Bye! Bye!
Rude. Overall, Eben Ice Caves was an incredible trip.
Yeah.
I was really glad to spend that much time with my family.
Yeah, me too.
I love being with family. There was so much laughter and everybody was having a good time. My Uncle Kevin, he made an amazing sausage.
Oh, yeah.
And he brought us little sausage sticks. It was a big bag. I wish I had taken video of it. There was not a single sausage stick left when everybody left.
Well, I think all people need energy.
Yes, we need, after the Eben Ice Caves, we needed some energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was really, he smoked it that morning. One of the things I love about up here is that people bring stuff that they made.
Mm-hmm.
You don't just stop at the store and pick something up. You bring something you created when you go somewhere. So it was such a nice afternoon. I really enjoyed it. Thank you to all of our family that came along for the trip.
Thank you.
So I think the things, if you go to the Eben Ice Caves, there are some things that you really want to consider. First of all, I would definitely wear spikes for my shoes if you go there. Not because you can't get there without them, but it's gonna make your trip a lot easier.
Yeah.
If you're looking to do photography or spend some quality quiet time, I recommend going when it is not so busy. If you look, I believe they have a website. We'll try to put the link down here, but they tell you when they are busy and when they are not busy. And you can kind of plan your trip. But Saturday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon is probably not...
Yes, the more high.
Yeah, it's definitely busy in there. The other thing you want to just think about is that you are going to... It's quite a hike.
Yeah.
So it's not something where you're going to get there, get out of your car, see the ice caves, and get back in your car and leave.
Be prepared.
Yeah, be prepared for a little bit of a hike.
Mm-hmm.
So Eben Ice Caves was the adventure we took this last weekend, Jose. But coming up, we are headed to Rudyard, Michigan to get sapping supplies with my Aunt Ruth and my Uncle Harry, which I'm very excited about. And we are stopping at Tequamanen Falls. And Tequamanen Falls, I do believe, is the largest falls in the UP.
Wow.
So I'm very excited to check it out. We've looked at some pictures online and it looks incredible. So that's going to be a little adventure we're taking this coming week. We're going to go to Rudyard and then stop at the falls on our way back from picking up sapping supplies.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. So that was our adventure at the Eben Ice Caves. We had a fantastic time.
Yep.
Again, if you are a farmsteader or a homesteader, you're interested in the UP, you think Jose and I are somewhat entertaining, we hope you'll subscribe to our channel. If you can think of a spot where we should go and check out, we would also love that.
All right, Jose, so that was our day at the Eben Ice Caves.
Yep.
What did you think?
It's good.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's time to head home, and it is cold out here.
No.
Anyway, we are Mac.
And Jose.
Sierra.
Kevin.
Shannon. Annie.
Gary. Harry. Jose.
Oh,
Here he is. Where have you been?
and we are the
Yooper
Yooper Farmstead.
Thank you for watching.
We're here at the Eben Ice Caves.
Do you remember, okay?
Dip, dip. Yeah, because it's too hard to eat it without. Oh. What? All right. Where's your cup of coffee?
I don't know. You don't want to share?
Okay, I'll share. Hurry up. Hurry up, it's my turn. Okay, it's my turn now. Thank you.